Hi and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to replace your ear speaker on your Samsung A5 2017. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. At first we have to heat up the back panel, the battery cover, which is made from glass. So you can heat it up with about 200 degrees for maybe, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. Then you will need a suction cup. This one is not good, so I'm taking another one. So then you have to make a gap in the corner or on the edge, and then you will have to put your fingernail inside or a plastic card or whatever and just go around. So see, I'm putting my finger inside just to make a just really small gap, and then after I will try to put some plastic card or a plastic tool inside. The glue is really strong, so you will have to do better work. The best is once you have a gap, you put a small plastic tool inside and leave it there, and then you go with another card or with another plastic tool around. As you see, I'm using a lot of cards here. This is helping me that the adhesive glue inside is not bonding to the frame back again. So once we did it, we have to unscrew the screws here, because there is still some plastic, protective plastic on the top of the motherboard. Okay, now gently lift up the plastic here, the corner or somewhere. Oh, I forgot one screw. See? Remove the SIM card tray and the memory card tray, because we will have to remove the motherboard, so it has to be empty. So there is one screw which is for the motherboard. Unscrew it and disconnect all flat cables. Just carefully, don't damage anything. Now gently lift the motherboard out. Okay? Now I'm heating up again the part where is the ear speaker, so you can use maybe 150 degrees for, let's say, 1 minute. In my case, I want to replace the adhesive for the ear speaker, so I just leave that one. I will just put it in place back. Okay, now we put the new speaker inside. Just align the flat cable there. This contact cable, be sure it's aligned inside the frame, otherwise you won't have contact and you won't have sound. Then we put back the motherboard. Just be careful around the flex cables. Connect back all connectors. And now we put back on the plastic, the protective plastic, and take all screws and screw this plastic back to the frame together. Gently press the plastic inside and be sure it's even, it's everywhere clicked in, it's everywhere back in the place where it should be. Now we take all screws and screw this stuff together. There we go. I will use the old battery cover with the old adhesive. I won't replace it. So just please know that your phone won't be anymore waterproofed. It was waterproof before, but now you would have to buy a new Samsung battery cover with a new original genuine adhesive. So if you want to keep your phone waterproof, as I'm saying, okay? I put it back in place, press it gently, and then use a cloth and press it back to the frame stronger. So, that's it. Congratulations. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a donate link in my video description. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Your CrocFIX.